Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the role of VDRs in modern culinary businesses and franchises. Introduction to VDRs in culinary business. Welcome to our presentation of virtual data rooms and their transformative role in modern culinary businesses and franchises. In an industry where recipes are trade secrets and operational efficiency is keys to success, VDRs provide a secure and organized platform for managing proprietary information and streamlining business processes. Let's explore how VDRs are becoming the secret ingredient for culinary business success. Recipe and intellectual property protection. Culinary businesses thrive on the uniqueness of their recipes, making the protection of these assets critical. So VDRs safeguard proprietary recipes and cooking techniques with advanced secret features, ensuring that only authorized personnel have access. They serve as a secure repository for managing and tracking intellectual property documents, including trademarks, registrations for unique dishes, or branding. Streamlining franchise operations. For franchise, maintaining consistency across locations is a change that VDRs can help address. VDRs provide a centralized platform for distributing operational manuals, storing materials, and standard operating procedures, ensuring uniformity in customer experiences. They allow for real-time updates and dissemination of new culinary practices or menu items across all franchise locations. Managing supplier contracts and agreements. A culinary business's relationships with its suppliers is foundational and complex, involving numerous contracts and agreements. VDRs facilitate the storage and management of supplier contracts, making it easy to review terms, renew agreements, and ensure that best quality ingredients are resourced. They support the negotiations process by providing a secure environment to share and revise contracts terms before finalizing. Enhancing compliance and food safety standards. Adherence to food safety and compliance is non-negotiable in the culinary industry. VDRs assist in organizing and compliance documentation such as health inspections, food safety certifications, and employee hygiene training records. They provide a platform for tracking updates to regulatory requirements and ensuring all locations are compliant, mitigating the risk of violations. Archiving and legacy preservation. Preserving the legacy and heritage of the culinary business is essential for branding and historical value. VDRs provide a long-term archival solution, preserving the history of the business, including original menus, press releases, and milestone archive achievements. They ensure that the story and evolution of the culinary brand are documented and can be accessed for future generations or promotional use. That's all for today. Hope you've understood the topic. Thank you so much everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.